Mastering Phrasal Verbs Followed by Gerunds. A Journey Through English Grammar. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the complexity of phrasal verbs followed by gerunds. English language learners often find phrasal verbs challenging, but with a little practice, you can become a pro. Remember, a gerund is a verb in its ing form used as a noun. So let's dive right into it. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words from different categories, such as a verb and a preposition or a verb and an adverb. Together, they take on a different meaning than the original words would suggest. For instance, give up is a phrasal verb that means to quit or stop trying. Phrasal verbs can be followed by gerunds, forming structures like enjoy doing, keep on going, etc. The gerund might be the object of the phrasal verb or part of a longer object. Understanding how to use these structures correctly can significantly improve your fluency in English. Now, we're going to look at a list of common phrasal verbs followed by gerunds. Practice these regularly and you'll find them much less intimidating. 1. End up. Example: he ended up moving to Canada. 2. Give up. Example: I gave up eating junk food. 3. Keep on. Example: she kept on singing. 4. Go on. Example: he went on talking about the game. 5. Start over. Example: we decided to start over learning the piano. 6. Stop. Example: they stopped complaining after the problem was fixed. 7. Try out. Example: I want to try out making my own clothes. To fully internalize these phrasal verbs, it's essential to practice them. You can make your own sentences, write a short paragraph, or speak out loud using these phrasal verbs. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. That brings us to the end of our journey through phrasal verbs followed by gerunds. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastery. With regular practice, these phrasal verbs will become second nature to you. We hope this video has been helpful and look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Happy learning!